as grass, and all its loveliness is like the flowers of the field. The grass it withers, and the flowers fade, but the word of our God stands forever. The word of God stands forever. Voice of one crying in the wilderness, prepare the way of the Lord Jesus. Make straight in the desert a highway for our God Jesus. And every valley shall be exalted, every mountain and hill shall be made low, and the crooked places shall be made straight, and the rough places smooth. For the glory of the Lord shall be revealed, and all flesh shall see it together. For the mouth of the Lord has spoken. All flesh is grass, and all of its loveliness is like the flower of the field. And the grass it withers, and the flowers fade, but the word of our God stands forever. The word of God stands forever. O Zion, you who bring good tidings, get up into the high mountain. O Jerusalem, you who bring good tidings, lift up your voice with strength, lift it up, and be not afraid, be not afraid. Say to the cities of Judah, behold, your God